Working from home is here to stay. Till today, Zoom's platform gave you the temporary fix of a video connection, but it never gave you the real tools to help you collaborate and stay productive. Imagine being able to have video calls, take notes, share files and data, all on one platform. If you are a key decision maker for your business, this is for you. In our upcoming Ask the Experts workshop, we are offering a no-charge, hands-on, immersive experience to become a power user of Microsoft Teams. So you and your team can get the most out of this powerful collaboration platform. To get the most out of these sessions, we've limited seating to 10 to 12 people. Click to learn more, and you can book your spot today. And if you need a one-on-one session, email us at info@imazanti.net.